Keeping floors clean can often feel like a never-ending task, especially in busy households where dust, pet hair, crumbs, and everyday dirt accumulate quickly. Fortunately, modern cleaning technology continues to make household maintenance easier, and this robot vacuum cleaner 2-in-1 is designed to help simplify one of the most common chores. Combining vacuuming and mopping functions in a compact device, it offers a practical solution for maintaining cleaner floors with minimal effort. One of the most impressive aspects of this robotic vacuum cleaner is its ultra-slim construction. With a height of only 7.5 centimeters, it can move effortlessly beneath furniture where dirt tends to collect unnoticed. Areas under couches, beds, entertainment centers, and cabinets are often difficult to reach using traditional cleaning tools. This slim robotic cleaner is specifically designed to access those hidden spaces and remove dust and debris that might otherwise remain untouched for long periods. The overall appearance is sleek, modern, and minimalistic. Its clean white finish gives it a contemporary look that blends naturally into most home environments. Unlike bulky cleaning equipment that occupies significant storage space, this compact robot can be conveniently placed in a corner when not in use while remaining ready for the next cleaning session. When it comes to cleaning performance, this robotic vacuum is equipped with 1,200 Pascal suction power, making it capable of handling everyday household messes effectively. Dust particles, food crumbs, hair, dirt, and other small debris are collected efficiently from multiple floor types. Whether you have tile flooring, hardwood surfaces, laminate flooring, or low-pile carpets, this vacuum is designed to deliver consistent cleaning results. Pet owners may find this robot particularly useful. Pet hair often spreads throughout the home and can quickly become difficult to manage with occasional cleaning alone. Regular automated vacuuming helps prevent excessive buildup by continuously collecting loose hair before it settles into corners or under furniture. This can contribute to a cleaner environment while reducing the amount of manual cleaning required. What sets this model apart from many standard robotic vacuums is its ability to perform both sweeping and mopping tasks. Instead of simply collecting dust and debris, it also provides light mopping functionality to help maintain cleaner floor surfaces. This dual-action cleaning system allows homeowners to enjoy a more complete floor care solution without investing in separate devices. For homes with hard flooring surfaces, the mopping feature can be particularly beneficial. Daily foot traffic often leaves behind fine dust and light marks that may not be removed through vacuuming alone. The integrated mopping function helps address these issues, creating floors that not only look cleaner but also feel fresher throughout the day. Noise levels are another area where this robotic vacuum performs well. Traditional vacuum cleaners are often loud enough to interrupt conversations, entertainment, work, or relaxation. This model is designed to operate quietly, making it possible to run cleaning cycles while carrying on with normal daily activities. The low-noise operation contributes to a more comfortable user experience and makes routine cleaning less disruptive. Safety features are essential in any autonomous cleaning device, and this robot includes intelligent drop sensors to help prevent accidents. These sensors detect edges and elevated areas such as staircases, allowing the robot to change direction before reaching a dangerous drop. This feature helps protect both the vacuum and your home environment during operation. The navigation system is designed to provide effective room coverage while avoiding common household obstacles. Furniture legs, walls, and other objects are detected as the robot moves throughout the room. Through its automatic movement patterns, it can clean large portions of floor space without requiring constant supervision. One of the biggest advantages of robotic vacuum cleaners is convenience. Many people struggle to find time for regular floor cleaning due to work, school, family responsibilities, and other daily commitments. By automating routine cleaning tasks, this robot allows users to maintain cleaner floors while focusing on more important activities. The ability to let a device handle everyday cleaning can significantly reduce the workload associated with home maintenance. Its compact size makes it suitable for apartments, dormitories, offices, and medium-sized homes. The slim profile helps it access narrow spaces, while the combination of vacuuming and mopping functions increases overall cleaning efficiency. This flexibility allows it to adapt to various living environments and cleaning requirements. Battery performance is optimized for routine cleaning sessions, enabling the robot to cover multiple rooms during operation. Consistent use helps reduce the accumulation of dust and debris over time, contributing to a cleaner and healthier indoor environment. Rather than waiting for floors to become noticeably dirty, users can maintain cleanliness through regular automated cleaning cycles. Another appealing aspect of this robotic cleaner is its ease of use. Advanced technology does not necessarily have to be complicated. This device is designed with simplicity in mind, allowing users to enjoy automated cleaning without dealing with difficult setup procedures or complex controls. Overall, this robot vacuum cleaner 2-in-1 offers an excellent combination of affordability, functionality, and convenience. Its 1,200 pascal suction power, mopping capability, ultra-slim design, low-noise operation, intelligent drop sensors, and pet hair cleaning performance make it a practical choice for everyday household cleaning. While premium robotic vacuums may offer additional advanced features, this model successfully delivers the essential capabilities most users need to keep their homes cleaner with less effort. For anyone seeking a budget-friendly robotic cleaning solution that can help reduce daily chores and improve floor maintenance, this vacuum presents a compelling option. It combines essential cleaning technologies into a compact and user-friendly package designed to make modern home cleaning easier and more efficient.